A lot of times we have these illusions about ourselves where our training and our skill set might be weak. So when you hit the market with either as assistants or as fashion designers yourself, you may find yourself against the deadlock, losing money, bankrupt, and all other disasters may fall on you. But however, amongst you can also be a guy who can get quick success or teach all the existing people in the world a big lesson like we just got from Sabyasachi, who clearly showed the fact that he as a young guy could go ahead and beat the entire market by creating his own systems. And today he's a very copied designer. Um, Even by his other, patrons. So, I mean, amongst us can be one of those too. So, there is a very big requirement in the industry for technical knowledge at the moment. If students can pick up the learning process more, I always get most of you students, whether you're from NIFT, Pearl, or even say your college, is we have a profession of a guy called a folder. I mean, if you go to my husband's export factory or any other export factory, you will see on any packing floor where the clothes are finished, quality control checked and packed. That is a separate department of packing. There is a profession of a man who may be feeding a family of 20. His job is to fold. So folding comes in measurements. It's 16 by 18, 18, 24. Now one of the things is none of you know how to fold. So when you don't know how to fold, second, you don't know how to hang. So learn first the basics. Go back home, hang your clothes yourselves, fold them, and flip fold so you get the hang of it. It helps in clothes. It helps in display, visual merchandising, also in creating the clothes. A lot of times, because you may make clothes which are unpractical, unwearable, and from a perspective of a school and college may work, but in reality they'll not sell from these points. The other thing I think designers will need from you guys is, even if your college may not be like the best, say a NIFT is assumed to be the best for pattern making, providing you guys the skills of draping, pick up on other areas, measurements. None of the NIFT kids know how to measure garments. They don't know how to measure flat garments. There's a way to measure hang and measure. There's a way to measure flat. This is what the industry really needs. Then digital printing. It's a very big requirement. So how to create prints on the computers, how to draw on CAD, pattern make, and then essential knowledge of color, hand feel. These are the basics of the trade which get you a long way. And my suggestions would be to make them uh, go into the field more. Simple things is better. I would advise you guys for ready to wear right now and to stick as backup to the export market, because that is going to stay. That needs people. That will always need more than merchandiser. It will need you as designers. A designer to infer the designs of the teams they work from, whether by sketch or by that. I mean, these are special things I tell all the kids. In the first 6 months, I give me an intern. All I make them do is fold, uh, learn to do the basics, dye. Maybe a lot of classes don't teach you that in India, don't even touch dyeing black. You'll never get it right. Buy the blacks. Okay, mill dye is different. But when you don't, you have these small chunni dyers who do your dyeing. If you can learn dyeing yourself, it's a good thing, because then you can train your dyer. So ask me what you want. I mean, there is any questions related to the field. If it's technical knowledge, your teachers should help me out.